Hi, I'm attorney Joel Beck of the Beck Law Firm, LLC in Lawrenceville, Georgia. In this video series, we're going to discuss 10 mistakes that you want to avoid in your estate plan. So the 10th mistake to discuss in this series on estate planning mistakes to avoid is setting it and forgetting it. And here's what I mean by that. You do your estate plan, you get your ducks in a row, everything's good, and now you just put that in the safe and never look at it again. That's a problem. That's a mistake you need to avoid. And here's why. Two things primarily. First, the laws can change. And sometimes when the laws change, you need to update your estate plan. A great case in point is what happened here in Georgia just a few years ago. Effective July 1, 2017, Georgia's laws on the power of attorney had a major overhaul, some significant changes for the better. But to take advantage of those better laws that was going to make the power of attorney be more effective and usable, you had to update your power of attorney. And it had to be on a form that's the same as the one laid out in the law or substantially similar, and had to be executed or signed on or after July 1, 2017. Otherwise, the powers of attorney done before then would continue to be valid under the old law, which I think is inferior to the new. Other changes in the laws may happen as well, especially in the area of estate tax and other tax issues. And so you need to make sure that if the laws change, you update your estate plan if it is needed and appropriate. You can't just set it and forget it. A second area here that's potentially troubling is when other situations change. Of course, if your wishes change for how you want your assets distributed or how you want your health care managed, well, of course, you need to update your estate plan to make sure that it captures those wishes for you. But in addition, if your relationships change or if other people who are named in your plan to serve as your fiduciary, if they become disabled or if they die or if they otherwise you deem it that they're not going to be good to serve in that role, well, we need to get those plans updated. I see this rather often where somebody has a will from quite some time ago. Their wishes really haven't changed, but the people that they named as executor and backup executor long ago died or had become disabled, and they're not going to be able to serve. And so the person is left with nobody of their choosing to serve in this role. Now, if that were to happen, if you die and that happens, the court will find somebody else. They'll appoint someone to be the administrator of your estate and carry out your will. But I think you would probably want a say in who that would be. And so the best way to do that is to make sure that your plan is updated when it's appropriate. Now be sure to watch our other videos in this series for the other 10 mistakes that you want to avoid in your own estate plan. If you'd like additional information on estate planning in Georgia, I invite you to visit our website at thebeckfirm.com. Once there, click on the link at the top that says Free Info, and you'll be able to request various free guides and reports that we have available free of charge for you, no strings attached. And if you're ready to get started and get the help you need to get your estate plan in order, I invite you to give us a call. You can reach us at 678-344-5342. Thanks.